Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to schedule WhatsApp message on Android. If you want to schedule WhatsApp message on Android, so let's see how we can do this. For this, you just need a third-party application. So let's go to Play Store app and install the app. Here's the app, SKEDit. You just have to search for this. Just search for SKEDit and you just need to install this application. Just tap on install and it will install on your phone. Just wait for installation. After the installation, you just have to open the app. Just open it, and here you have to do setup. Just tap on skip, and here you have to tap on allow, then tap on I understand, and here tap on add, then tap on one WhatsApp message. Just close the ad, and after that you just have to check and complete the setting required. Tap on it, and here enable accessibility. Just look for SKEDit, tap on it, then enable it, then allow. Now go back, and here you just have to tap on run in background, tap on allow, and after that look for any other setting which is enable display or other apps. Tap on it, and here look for SKEDit. Here's the app, tap on it, then tap on allow. Now go back and then provide PIN or password. And here you just have to tap on disable screen lock, tap on it, then tap and then enter your PIN as I have entered. Now go back, and here you can see we have all done. And after doing this, you just have to start the app, go back, and here select contact. I'm going to select WhatsApp broadcast list. So here you can easily make some settings. You just have to enter your message, then title, and then enter number, and after that you can easily schedule WhatsApp message on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.